Lesson 7.5, angle sum and difference formulas, this time with radicals, but we have the same sum and difference formulas here. Given that tangent of A is 2, sine of B is 1 over square root of 2, angles A and B are both in quadrant 1, find the exact value of sine of A minus B in simplest radical form. So we are using this formula right here. Sine of A times cosine of B minus cosine of A times sine of B. Okay, so what are we missing? What do we have? We need sine of angle A. All I have is tangent of angle A. It's a whole number, it's 2, but obviously 2 is over 1. So this is my y, this is my x. So I have 1 squared plus 2 squared equals my radius squared. Pythagorean triples are not going to help me on this because I get a lot of radicals. That's 1 plus 4. So my radius is the square root of 5. Okay, so then I need sine of A to be my y, which is 2 over square roots of 5. And I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Okay, times cosine of B. Of course we don't have it. Let me get a different color. Okay, so this is my y over my radius, and I need to get x. So 1 squared plus x squared equals square root of 2 squared. That cancels, just make 2 minus 1, 1 square root. Square root of 1 is 1. Okay, well that was easy enough. So I need cosine of B to be my x over my r. Again, I'm going to just leave it. Okay, cosine of A. Don't have it, but I can get it. It's going to be my x value, where you go, is 1 over my radius is square root of 5. And then sine of B, I have it. Out of colors here. Okay. So multiplying, I get 2 times 1 is 2. You can multiply numbers under a radical, so that'd be square root of 10 minus 1 over square root of 10. They have a common denominator, so simply take 2 minus 1 is 1 over square root of 10, but then rationalize. So you get square root of 10 over normal 10 is your answer on that one. All right, then number 2, we've got a sine of A and a sine of B. Find the exact value of cosine of A plus B. So we're using this formula right here. Cosine of A times cosine of B minus sine of A, sine of B. Okay, so what do I have? I have sine of A, and I have sine of B. Okay, I do not have cosine of A or cosine of B. So both of these are a y over a radius. I need to find x. So that would be, cancel each other, that's plus. That'd be 21 equals 36. Subtract that, that would be 15. So I get x to be a square root of 15. Okay, so that was for angle A. So I've got cosine of angle A is going to be my x over my r. Okay, cosine of B will be x squared plus 1 squared equals 3 squared. It's 9. Subtract 1, and then square root that. Okay, square root of 8 does have a perfect square in it. You can simplify now, or you can wait till the end. I think I'm going to wait. That would be square root of 8 over my r, which is 3. Okay, So I get 15 times 8 is 15 times 4 would be 60, so that should be 120. Yep. Over 18 minus square root of 21 over 18. I cannot subtract radicals. Adding and subtracting, they must be like terms, multiplying, dividing. They don't. So let's see. Let's go ahead and break this up. That should have a 4 in it, right? Square root of 4 times 12 divided by 4 would be 3 out of 0, so 4 times 30, and 30 does not have a perfect square in it. So square root of 4 would become 2 with the square root of 30 over 18 minus square root of 21 over 18. So all I'm going to do is put them together in one single fraction with their common denominator of 18 and have 2 square root of 30 minus square root of 21. And the reason I can't do any more is because the square root of 30 is saying what number times itself makes 30? About 5.5. And then the square root of 21 is not that same value, it's about 4.6. And so I can't subtract them if I don't have the same values out of those two. So that would be my final answer.